Listen up guys, this is no more the generation of old, boring and plain. Today's generation is all about cool and interesting. And to start off with, we need to start saying more interesting words and conversations. So if you guys are struggling with old and boring words, you're at the right video. Keep watching till the end. Hey guys, it's me Zaina and welcome to my channel ZoomWithZaina. So as today's video title suggests, today we'll be going through 5 boring words and how you can turn them interesting. For each word we'll be looking at 3 synonyms along with examples of that word in a sentence. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So just as a heads up, most of these words are actually feelings. Feelings like happiness, sadness, and what words you can use to replace them. Number 1. Happy. Happy is quite a frequently used word and I'm not even exaggerating. So 3 synonyms you can use instead of happy. First of all, content. Content. For example, she was quite content with her English score. Number 2, elated. Elated. He was elated by his birthday surprise. And number 3, jovial. Jovial. She's quite a jovial person at heart. These 3 words, that is content, elated, and jovial, all revolve around the word happy. So instead of the basic plain word happy, you can use these 3 words. Coming to number 2, sad. I feel like the word sad is being used way too much, especially during these times. I really hope all of you might not have to use it way too much, but anyways, here are 3 synonyms you can use instead of sad. Number 1, despondent. Despondent. Before you get too despondent, there's some good news for you. Despondent. Number 2, sorrowful. Sorrowful. He seems to be a broody and sorrowful person. Sorrowful. And number 3, disconsolate. Disconsolate. The girl was quite disconsolate when her dog ran away. Disconsolate. Number 3, nice. Instead of nice, you can use, firstly, commendable. Commendable. Her art model was quite commendable. So instead of saying her art model was very nice, you can say her art model was quite commendable. Number 2, extraordinary. Extraordinary. She goes out of her way to produce something extraordinary. Extraordinary. And number 3, exemplary. Exemplary. His performance at the exhibition was quite exemplary. Word number 4, funny. Instead of funny, you can use the word hysterical. Hysterical. Now mind you, hysterical is also used for emotional, on the emotional side I guess. That is when you cry too much out of laughter or when you seriously cry too much. So over here, I'm using hysterical as funny. So hysterical, you can take this as an example. She sounded quite hysterical on the phone. Wacky. Wacky. My aunt has a liking for things that are quite wacky. Wacky. Lastly, humorous. Humorous. His plays are always quite humorous. And the 5th word, love. Instead of love, you can use the word admire. I really admired your performance. Admire. Number 2, adore. Adore. We adore them for their generosity. Adore. Fond. I'm quite fond of caramel popcorn. Fond. So guys, here were 5 boring words and 3 synonyms that you can replace along with them. So I really hope all of you found this video quite interesting. This video is honestly quite helpful because instead of these boring words, you can replace them with something interesting. They make you sound like a cooler person, a person with a large vocabulary. Again, if you do want to increase your vocabulary, watching these kind of videos is good, but other than this, reading helps a lot. Reading newspapers, magazines, books, whatever it is, reading always is a go-to practice for increasing your vocabulary. So guys, this is it for today's video. I'll see you soon in my next video. So as you guys might know, hey guys, it's me Zaina and welcome back to You Can Become. If you